In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get free Robux using Microsoft Rewards in 2026. So if you want to know how to get Microsoft Rewards points super fast, well then let's get straight into the video. The first thing that you guys want to do is just go to your browser, just type in Microsoft Rewards. The first link should be the first one. Just make sure it is a trusted Microsoft link. Now, it'll take you to this page right here where you can go ahead and sign up or log into your Microsoft account. Once you finish logging in or signing up for an account, you'll be brought to this page right here where you'll go ahead and start earning points. So the first thing I'd recommend doing is start getting points is doing your daily set of tasks. These are pretty easy and you get them every day, and most of the time they're pretty simple. All you gotta do is just press on them, and as you can see, you just earn an extra 10 points. There's also some quizzes that you can do sometimes, and you can run through all the answers until you get them right. As you can see, we've just finished the quiz and we got an extra 30 points. Once you finish your daily set of tasks, you'll start gaining a streak, and when you get a high streak, you'll get a point bonus, and that will earn you a bit extra points. The next thing that I recommend for you to do after you finish your daily set is to scroll down and complete this huge section of different tasks. These are all pretty simple, and I think they reset once every week or so, but once you complete them, you'll have pretty decent amount of points. And if you keep doing this every day, you should have enough to get a free Robux gift card. So how do you actually get a Robux gift card? Well, you just want to go ahead and press redeem, look up Roblox, and as you can see, there's a Roblox digital card, and you can go ahead and select different amounts of Robux that you want. But the cheapest one that you want right now is for 13,000 points. After you get enough points for how much Robux that you want, you can go ahead and press redeem reward. You'll go ahead and get the code, and you can redeem it and get all the Robux into your account. So that was how to get free Robux with Microsoft Rewards. And if this video helped you out, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.